Good afternoon, student. This is your Devdeep sir back with the new chapter, that is Internet and Search Engine Part 1. Now, for that, please move to page number 108. Now, what is Internet? Okay, Internet or net is one of the largest network that connects billions of computing devices. Be it the computer, laptop, tablet, or phone, are all connected by the help of this network. Okay, now all the internet data is communicated by the help of the World Wide Web, the organization that maintains the internet data, and we also have different components of sending messages by the help of email. The full form of email is electronic mail. So email stands for electronic mail. Now, what are the uses of internet? Internet can be used for doing research, used for sending messages in the form of email, can be used for entertainment purposes, used for different thousands of software programs, buying and selling products, used for means of chatting, socializing, and also playing online games. So these are the different variety of uses of internet. Okay. Now, internet is a worldwide resource of information. The primary reasons why people use the internet is to gain information. So, why do we use the internet? Internet is used as a means for getting information, for searching data. The process of searching data is called surfing. So, the process by which we can search data is called surfing. Alright. Now, there are two types of search tools by the help of which we can do that: search engine and subject directories. Okay, now what are each of them? Let us see. A search engine is a program that finds websites, maps, information related to a topic. So it can search any given information related to any topic. Alright, now there are different search engines, like Google is one search engine, Bing is one. Now, search engine requires keywords or words or phrases to search data. Okay, the program that search for the data is called Spider. So, Spider is the name of the program that is used by the search engine to search the data. And Crawler is the program by the help of which search engine can read web pages. So, Crawler is the program by the help of which search engine can read web pages. All right. Now, some web browsers also contain instant search box by the help of which we can instantly search data. Now, searching can be done with the help of keywords, as I told you. If the keywords there is a match, it is called a hit. So, when a keyword matches, it is known as hit. Now, we can use different specific nouns, quotation mark, okay, for searching for different searching techniques. Alright. So normally we can do that in the keyword search box, that is the search box itself. Alright. Now, subject directories we'll do in our new class, that is whenever we will have class. So till here I believe, children, you are not having doubt. So first, now note down the homework questions. What are the different search engines? And how search engines search data.